The core of Pakistan's national security is economic security. And built around that is military security and human welfare. Comprehensive national security vision is on our minds and should be on everybody's mind. Why economic security at the core? You could ask, why not military security given the neighborhood we live in? Why not human welfare? The issue is, we need macroeconomic stability to ensure that we have enough resources to spend adequately on our military and on our human welfare. Actually, the genius of policy is to ensure that your national resource pie grows to a point where you can redistribute it adequately to everyone. But the ultimate goal of national security, as we look at it, is to ensure that the most disempowered Pakistani citizen has a means to livelihood and personal safety and security.